Hi everybody, welcome to another origami tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to fold this Korean traditional game. For each piece you need 2 paper rectangles. To make it easier, you can start with an A4 sheet. If you only have lettered, it works too. First, we have to lift the paper in this position and fold in half vertically. So let's bring the right side to the left and make a crease. Unfold, and now cut or tear the paper in this line. Now we need to place one rectangle on top of the other in this position, and then just fold the extra paper over the middle part, turning it into a square. Let's start with the top side. Then the bottom side in the same rectangle. Keep it folded. And now we can fold the other 2 sides. Unfold all 4. And now, using these lines as a guide, here on the top side first, let's bring this side to the crease, creating a diagonal fold. Once done, just bring it to the middle again, and then repeat the same logic with the other 3, folding all in the same direction. Here in the last part is just a little bit different. We're going to have to fit this one under the first layer. And the origami is ready! Thank you so much for watching, see you next time!